There we go. Just for like 2 minutes. Then put it on YouTube. Film me babies doing stuff. Like playing and whatever. Okay, today is, what's freaking today? September 7th, 2013. I'm filming my cats, Kitty Cat and Callie. Kitty Cat's the orange and white one, and Callie's the calico. They are outside for the day, together during the day. Usually I did a last video at night, and I was like, last month sometimes, so. Here's an updated video for you people that like to watch cat videos on YouTube or whatever. My babies love it out here. Yes, they do. I'm their owner. That's all I'm going to say. I love my cats. I'm like their mother, and they're like my children since I have no children of my own. Let's get into this cat video. I'm only going to record for 2 minutes until if something cool happens after that 2 minutes, then fine. Damn flies. What are my cats doing out here? Who knows? Here is a closer up of them.